Greetings from Claret PU College. I am Father Sojan K Abraham, the principal of Claret PU University College, and this institution is managed by the Claret missionaries. We always believe in giving different platforms for the students to learn different subjects in different ways. And today we are here organizing this robotic workshop with the help of RB College engineering students, so that the students will be able to think in a different way and able to understand the concept and also create a genuine interest in them for higher learning. This may be only a beginning, but I am sure that this workshop and their experience in making a small robot will help them to have more curiosity and more interest in pursuing their further studies. And also I have seen this workshop this year was organized very effectively, because every year we organize, but I have never seen such a large number of participants and also large number of teachers here. And I am really happy to see the students from RB College, Astra Robotics, members are doing a wonderful job, and I have seen that they are being with the students, accompanying the students, and giving personal attention for the students. And that's why I have spoken to some of the students who have already made some robots, and they said they had a wonderful experience because the students from RB College, the members of Astra Robotics Club, really helped them to understand the concept in a very simple way and in a very interesting way. So I feel this is a successful program, and we feel like continuing it in the future too.